Stephanie, when I met her, is her hair was really long, and she'd just come to the model casting, and she had just washed and left her hair, and it was quite long. The thing that I loved the most about her hair is how it is naturally. We've put it in with a flat iron to make it more pronounced, but when she came to the casting, it was this beautiful wave. And I looked at her and I thought, wow, I really want to make the most of that wave for her. So I asked her what she does with her hair. She washes and leaves it. So I thought, oh, that's cool, because if it does that naturally, I want to cut something where it shows that off. And she wanted her hair short, but she didn't know how she wanted it exactly. So I made use of taking off the back to just a very straight square bob. And then this naturally just falls like that. And I lightened it using our Weller reds, and then went in, and I wanted to mimic that wave by the lightest red, and I hand painted our magma, which is our lift and deposit color of red, on both the front sides of her hair, just to really show it off and add accent to that. But really and truthfully, if she washes her hair, she tucks it like I do. When she lets go, it just falls just like that, and she does not have to blow dry. She came in, and we've just tidied it up a little bit to get rid of the frizzies, because in Florida it's like, especially after that rain last night, oh my goodness. But yes, I'd like to say a huge thank you to Stephanie, because she really allowed me to do something creative. Thank you.